Good evening, girls. We are going to do the last multiple choice question section tonight about module number 4. Okay, so just some reminders about the multiple choice section. You have 20 questions in this section this year. The total for the section should be 16 points, 60 points, and your goal is to get 15 questions correct. So if you get 15 questions correct, hopefully that will give you 40 or more points. But remember, they're doing something new this year. Some of the questions are 2 points, some of the questions are 3 points, and some of the questions are 4 points. And just remember, we don't know how many questions are to each value, but the total should add up to 60. Okay? So if you have your notebook and your workbook, go ahead and grab that. In your notebook, you can make a new page for the Term 1 revision of Module 4. There's 7 questions coming from Module number 4. So remember, as we go through each question, you should mark down if you got it, if you need more practice, or if it's something you need to study again. Okay, so you have 1 question from 4.2, 2 questions from 4.3, 1 question from 4.4, 2 questions from 4.5, and 1 question from 4.6. This question, 4.4 and 4.6, we did not do it in class, so I'm going to do it in this session now, as detailed as I can go, yeah? They're kind of a difficult question, but I think if you listen and you ask your questions, you should be able to do it on Monday. Okay, so here we are. Term 1 exam, multiple choice question. We are starting with number 18, coming from lesson 4.2. All right, so this one we have a slope. What slope is this one? Anybody?
Positive.
Correct. This one is positive, and this one is?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Good. Then, what kind of line do you have here?
Dependent.
No, this line.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Good. It's horizontal. What should be the slope for this?
0.
0.
0. Good. So remember here, you have horizontal and 0. They both have the letter Z. That's one way you can keep your memory about that. The next line, what kind of line is it? Vertical. Anybody know the name of the slope?
No motion, I think.
Again. This one? Undefined. Or no slope. How do you know it's undefined? Because it goes up and down. Right? So undefined line is an up and down line, a vertical line. So up and down. Okay, so we have 3 ways that we can find slope. It depends on what they give you in the question. If they give you a table, you could use change in y over change in x. If they give you a graph, you can use rise over run. If they give you 2 points, you can use y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. You can really use any one that you want for any kind of table, graph, or 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to remind you how to make them using each method. So the first one we're going to talk about is the graph. Remember, the graph is rise over run. Rise means to go up or down, and run means to go left or right. Always the rise has to be on top, and the run has to be on bottom. You can see it from here. I'll show you again. Everything Y is on top, and everything X is on bottom. So you have to make sure you memorize that for Monday, because the Wizara will not tell you. Okay, so you have to know these ones for yourself and write them down so you can know it. Okay, so rise over run. How do we use rise over run? Before you start, see the line, positive, negative, 0, or undefined.
Positive is going up.
Positive, because it's going up from left to right. Good. Now we have to see what is the number for the slope. We know the answer when we calculate it should be positive. When they give you a graph, sometimes they're going to give you the points, and sometimes they're going to give you the line like this. Make sure that you're choosing good points. Remember, what is a good point? It has to match with the number on the x-axis, and it has to match with the number on the y-axis. You need the point to go in the middle of the horizontal and vertical line here. Should be in the middle. If you're choosing something that's not in the middle, you're not going to know what number it is exactly. So you have to make sure that you're choosing a good point to make your math easy for you. So the point I have here, this is a positive 1x and a positive 1y. So this is a good point. Here are some more good points. Why are they good? Because I can match it with the number on the x-axis, and I can match it with the number on the y-axis. The same way that you see me draw a line down and to the left to match the number, you should be able to do this one. If you can't match it with a number, you should not use it. Okay? Also, you can choose any points on the other side. To check from here, you can go up to the x-axis, see what number, and then go right to the y-axis, see what number. All right, so that's how to choose the two good points. After that, you can choose any two you want. I think I chose this one and this one. I want to connect them, making a right triangle. So to make a right triangle, I have to go up or down and then left or right. So if I'm starting from here and I want to go here, do I go up or do I go down? So we're going to go up, and then you should count how many spaces you go up. It's going to be positive 18. Then we're going to go right. How many spaces? Positive 9. Why is it positive? Because we made the movement up. Why is this one positive? Because we made the movement right. Okay? So
Miss, how
also,
I get 18?
again,
How you get 18?
gotta count. You can count, go count.
1,
1, okay?
2,
Yeah,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
okay, so it's 18. You can't count this one, and then 2. You have to count when you move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. If you make the loops, it makes it easier to count. When you're doing rise over run, again, you can use any 2 points. So what if I wanted to change it? Sorry, let me calculate it. So put your rise number is positive 18, and your run number is going to be positive 9, right? Divide them, you're going to get positive 2. So it matches what we said. The slope is positive. The 2 is positive. Everything should be okay. If you want to check yourself, you can choose another 2 points. What if I choose this one and I'm choosing this one? How do I get there? I'm going to go up. And then I'm going to go right. So then I have to just count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My rise is positive 6 because I went up. The run, 1, 2, 3. Positive 3 because I went right. So a positive 6 divide a positive 3 also makes a positive 2. So any 2 points in the line is going to get you the correct slope.
Miss Ayita,
Yes.
if we did on this y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, it will be positive 2 also.
Yes.
So it's fine if we don't do only rise over run.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
You can choose any method you want. I'm just reminding you of your options, right? So one way is to use rise over run. Like you said, another way is to use the 2 points. You can do y2, y1 over x2 subtract x1. This one is always going to work for every single option they give you, a table, a graph. Okay, you can always use the slope formula. So same one we just did, we can do the slope. We know that it's positive because the line is going from left to right. Just like she said, we can choose any 2 points in the line and we can use it calculated from here. So let's take this point. We need to know what is the x number and what is the y number. So anybody know the x number? You got to go to the
X number
x-axis.
is negative 5.
The x is on the x-axis goes left and right. So you have to go up here.
Oh, sorry,
This
sorry.
Negative
The
2.
negative 2.
2. And the y number is going to be
Negative
Negative
5.
5.
negative 5. Correct. Let's choose this point here. You need, again, an x number and a y number.
Positive 3.
X,
Positive 3.
x is positive 3 and y
Positive
Positive
5.
5.
Positive 5.
positive 5. So either point, you can call it 1 or 2. If I call this point 1 and I call this point 2, this is x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. If it's easier for you to see it in the table, draw the table. On Monday, you need to do whatever is going to make it easy for you to get the question correct. If you have to write a little bit more, then just write a little bit more. But whatever is going to make sure you choose the correct answer. So this is going to be negative 2, and y1 is negative 5. x2, you said positive 3, and y2, positive 5. Make sure you write the formula. Before you put the numbers, make sure you put the parentheses. And in between the parentheses, you should have subtract. This is going to help make sure that you do not forget about your negative numbers. Because if you make a mistake with the negative, you're going to bring the wrong answer. So please make sure to put the parentheses and put the subtract in between. What number is the y2? So here we have to put y2. Here we have to put y1. Here we put the x2. And here we put the x1. So what number is the y2?
Positive 5.
And what number is y1?
Positive 1.
y1?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. What number is x2?
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
And x
Positive 3.
Negative
Negative 2.
negative. The next step, subtract the numbers. So you subtract the numbers in the top. 5 subtract negative 5.
It's 10.
Don't know it.
Negative. Positive 10.
Positive 10. Fine. 3 subtract negative 2.
Positive 6.
No.
Positive 5.
3 subtract negative 2. Correct. Positive 5. Divide and you get positive 2.
2.
We did the same question 3 times and we got positive 2 every time. So as long as you choose 2 good points, you should be fine about this one. Okay? Let's try this. Before you start, see the line in the graph. Is it positive, negative, 0, or undefined?
Positive.
See the line. Positive. It's positive because it goes up from left to right. You need to label your points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Or you need to put it in a table. It's up to you, whatever is easy for you. Just make sure you put x1, y1, x2, y2, so you put the numbers in the correct place. After this one, you have to make sure that you use the slope formula. Y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. Do not forget to put the parentheses and the subtract in the middle. You really need to make sure you have parentheses on all of your negative numbers, okay? So not writing y2, what number should be there?
1.8.
Positive 1.8.
Fine. Y1.
Negative
Negative
2.4.
Okay. X2.
Positive 4.
Positive 4.
Good. X1.
Negative 3.2. Negative 3.2.
Good. Subtract the blue numbers in the top. 1.8 subtract negative 2.4.
Equal positive 3.4.
4.2.
Positive 4.2. Yes or no? 1.8 subtract negative 2.4.
7.2.
How are you guys getting 7.2? It's 1.8 subtract negative 2.4.
It's 4.2.
Okay, should be 4.2.
Yes.
Okay, the bottom, 4 subtract negative 3.2.
7.2.
Good. Now divide them. You should get 7 over 12 or 0.583. This is a multiple choice question, so you will see if they want the fraction or the decimal for the answer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Try another one. See the graph. Is it positive, negative, 0, or undefined?
Negative.
It's
Negative.
negative.
It's negative because it goes down from left to right. Same again. You need x1, y1, x2, y2. If you want, put it in a table. After you make the table or write the x1, y1 in the graph, then the formula. Y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. You should make sure that you write it because you have a writing question about slope, yeah? So the way that we're solving it now is also going to help you for the writing question. Do not forget to put your parentheses and the subtract in the middle. What number is y2?
Positive 3.5.
Okay, y1.
Negative 2.
Okay, x2.
0.
And x1.
Positive 1.5.
Fine. The number in the top, subtract it. 3.5 subtract negative 2.
5.5.
I don't know it.
Positive 5.5.
Correct. The bottom, 0 subtract 1.5.
Negative 1.5.
Good. Then divide. You
Equal.
should get, yeah, negative 11 over 3 or negative 3.67. How did I get negative 3 and 2 over 3? You should press shift. What?
Divide for the divide.
Press D button. So press the shift button in your calculator, and then SD should give you the mixed number.
Yes, I have question.
Go ahead.
In the writing, I write all the answer, three answer,
If
or
you get
only one.
if you get 3, write 3. Okay.
Okay.
Try another one. Here, they don't give us any picture. Fine. X1, Y1, X2, Y2.
Y2.
This is point number 1, and this is point number 2. Make sure you put X, then Y, and 1, and 1. X, then Y, 2, and 2. If you want to put it in a table, you can. Right? Write your formula, put the parentheses, and then put the numbers inside. Y2 this time.
Positive 6.
Y1.
Positive 6.
Positive 6. Then X2.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
And X1.
Subtract 3.
Okay, so positive 3. Subtract the numbers. 6 subtract 6 gives you
0.
0. Negative 1 subtract 3 gives you
Negative 4.
okay. Divide and you get
0.
0. Now, if you get 0, check your work. If you're still getting 0, class, the slope is 0.
Yeah.
What kind of line should you have?
Horizontal.
Undefined.
Horizontal. So it's done. If you get 0, it's okay to get 0. Do not panic or think you did something wrong because you got 0. Check it. If you're still getting 0, okay, the answer should be 0 then.
Miss, we can write undefined.
This one not undefined. This one is 0. When you put it in the calculator, it gave you 0. So the slope is 0. Not undefined. This one is 0.
Miss, the 0 is horizontal, right?
It is a horizontal line, yes. Okay. Try again. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. If you want a table, make a table. Write the formula, put the parentheses, make sure you have subtract in the middle, and put the numbers inside. Y2 this time.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Y1.
Positive 9.
X2.
Positive
4.5.
4.5.
X1.
Positive 4.5.
Fine. Subtract. Start with the top. Negative 1, subtract 9.
Negative 10.
Positive 10.
And 4.5, subtract 4.5.
0.
0. Divide.
Error.
Get error.
0. No slow. Error will be.
Error means what?
No slope.
No
No
slope.
slope.
Not 0. It means no slope. What's another word for no slope?
Vertical.
Undefined.
Undefined. Good. And the line in the graph should be vertical. Okay? It's not 0 slope. It is undefined the slope if you get error in the calculator. It's not possible to divide by 0. That's why you get error. It means there is no slope. Make it undefined. Okay, so that's question number 18. I think you should be able to do this one, no problem at all. I put it as easy. Everybody's okay with question 18?
Yes.
All right, good. Let's go to the next one. Question number 6 is coming from lesson 4.3. This one is about slope-intercept form. What is slope-intercept form?
دلتا واي على دلتا اكس.
No,
changing y changing x.
no.
Prox
y
x
equal mx plus b.
Y equal mx plus b. So again, what's its slope-intercept form?
y equal
Y equal
mx
mx
plus
plus
b.
b plus b.
Okay, m is for what?
Slope.
And
Slope.
b is for what?
Y
Y
intercept.
Intercept.
Slope? You have another name. What do we call it?
دلتا واي على دلتا اكس.
Uh-uh. You guys finished with science. No more delta y and delta x.
Change in y, change in x.
No.
Coefficient.
Coefficient. Correct. Then b have another name.
Constant.
Constant.
Constant. So now you guys need to focus in this slope-intercept form. Y equal mx plus b. Very easy question, but you have to know what is slope-intercept form when you read it. So this one says write an equation in what?
Slope intercept.
What is slope-intercept?
Y equal mx
Y
plus
equal
plus
mx
b.
plus b.
Fine, what's m?
Slope.
slope.
Another word.
Coefficient.
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 What is b?
Y intercept.
intercept.
Another
Constant.
word.
Constant.
Constant.
Constant. So keep reading. It says your slope is what?
5/8.
5 over
Positive
8.
5/8.
And
X
your y
plus
intercept is what?
3.
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
3. It's important to focus on the positive and the negative. When you write it, okay, in the first box should be the m, in the second box should be the b. Somebody say the equation.
Y equal
Y
mx
equal
plus b.
With the numbers.
y
equal positive
5 over 8
x plus positive 3.
Plus 3. Fine. This is it. You're just putting the numbers inside of the boxes. But first you have to know what number is m and what number is b. Try again. Write an equation in what?
slope intercept.
What is slope-intercept form?
Y equal
mx plus b.
Plus b.
What's the m?
Slope.
slope
Coefficient.
coefficient.
Another word.
Coefficient.
Coefficient. B.
Y intercept.
Y intercept.
Another word.
Constant.
Constant.
Constant. Keep reading the sentence. What is the slope?
Coefficient.
Coefficient.
Keep reading. What number is the slope?
4 over 7.
Positive 4/7.
Fine. What number is your B?
Positive
Positive
5.
5.
Positive 5.
Y equal positive 4/7. X plus 5. Positive 5.
Correct. Plus 5. Done. Try again. Write an equation in what?
Slope intercept from
Okay, what is slope-intercept form?
Y equal mx
mx
plus b.
plus b.
Good. M,
Slope
Slope.
coefficient.
-5.
slope, and coefficient, right? B, what word?
Y
intercept
intercept constant.
Constant.
Okay, keep reading. What number is the slope?
Negative
Negative
5.
5.
And what number is the y-intercept?
Negative 12.
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Okay, so from here,
Y equal.
you can make this one.
Yes.
Y equal -5x plus -12.
I can't do plus negative 12. It's not possible.
It's only -12. Sorry.
Yes. So only negative 12. So make sure if your number is negative, you only put subtract here. There's no need for 2. The wizarda will not put plus and minus. They will only put add or subtract. So if the number is positive, you put add. If the number is negative, you put subtract. Everybody got it?
Yes.
All right. Try again. Write an equation in
Y equal mx plus b.
fine. M is
M is the slope and constant, coefficient.
fine. And
B,
B,
y-intercept, and
And
constant.
keep reading. Your slope is what number this time?
0.
0.
0. And your
Y-intercept,
y-intercept?
Negative
negative
2.
2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Write the equation.
y equals 0,
Y
x
equals
negative,
0.
subtract 2.
Good. Subtract 2. Is the wizarda going to put 0x for you?
No.
No.
What are they going to write?
Y equal negative 2.
Good. Y equal negative 2. So make sure you pay attention for this one. If they write this one, they don't put 0x. Nobody writes it. We only put y equal negative 2. So remember, we have 4 different equations we can write. This one is y equal positive 5x. It means that your slope should be positive 5 and your y-intercept should be 0. How do you know that it is 0? Because you do not have plus any number here. If there is no number here, you should write 0 for the y-intercept. Remember that the slope and the line should match. If this one is positive, the line should be positive. So the line has to go up from left to right. For the second equation, y equal negative 5x. Your slope is negative 5 and your y-intercept is 0. How do you know the y-intercept is 0? Because there is not plus any number here. It means the number should be 0 there. Remember, the slope and the line have to match. If this one is negative, the line should be negative. So you go down from left to right. The next one here. What's missing from the equation? You have y equal 5. Something is missing. There's no what?
There is no x.
There is no x. So if there is no x, what number do you write for your slope? Has to be 0. No x means y equal 0x plus 5. So no x means 0 slope. You write y equal 0x plus 5. So what is going to be the y-intercept this time? Positive 5. You have a horizontal line. The last one, what is missing from the equation?
Y-intercept.
Not y-intercept. There is no y.
No Y, sorry.
Because equation A, you have y and x.
Yes.
Equation B, you have y and x. Equation C, there is no x. In equation D, there is no y. If there is no y, there is no slope. There is no y-intercept, and you should have a vertical line in your graph. So the wizarda can ask you to write any one of these equations in your exam. If you see it in the multiple choice, you have to remember, if it starts with x equal, there is no slope. If you have y equal and no x, it means the slope is 0. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's question number 6. Just write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form. I think that question should be very easy for you to do. Okay? So next question from 4.3 is question number 14. Question number 14, you have to remember about the y-intercept. What 2 things do you know about the y-intercept? The point should be where? Nobody remembers?
What Miss ask again?
Y-intercept. You should know 2 things about the word y-intercept.
Cross X cross
Yeah, cross
y-intercept
y-axis,
axis and
and x equals 0.
x equals 0. So we need the y-intercept for this question. Remember, it has to be on the y-axis. So it could be this point. Remember, when we write it, the x must be what number?
0.
0. What number is the y for this point? It's 0 and what?
2.
Don't know it. It's positive or negative?
negative 2.
Negative. Good. So x must be 0 and y is going to be negative 2. What about this point?
Positive 3.
What number is your x?
0.
And the y?
Positive
3.
3.
Good. Correct.
Miss,
So,
I choose the point.
come again?
Miss, I choose the points. Yes.
Not that. I'm just reviewing with you what is the y-intercept. They will give you the y-intercept. What else do we need for this question? We need to know how to make the slope with rise over run. If your number is positive, you should go up. If the number is negative, it means we go down. If we go left, the number is negative, and if we go right, the number is positive. The movements here will never ever change. Left is for negative, right is for positive, up is for positive, down is for negative. Okay, so it depends on where you're moving about if it's positive or negative. So last thing we need to review is how to find the slope using the rise over the run. Remember, we're going to connect the 2 points and make a right triangle. The rise number, positive 18. The run number, positive 9. Divide positive 2. Okay? So here's the steps. We need to know what is the slope and what is the y-intercept. We must begin with the y-intercept. Step 2, we have to find the slope using rise over run. And step 3, we can finally write the equation. So we did this one in class. Begin with y-intercept. The y-intercept must be
3.
on the y-axis. So this one. What number is your b?
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Good. How do we know? This is 0. So this is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Then we need to find the slope using rise over run. To make rise over run, you need 2 points. We have to start at the star and connect it to the point. So if we're starting at the star, do we go up or down?
We go up.
We go up. How many?
2.
2. So positive or negative 2?
Positive.
Positive. Why is it positive 2? Because we went
Up.
Okay. Now from here, We going left or we going right?
Left.
Go right.
Right.
We're
Sorry.
going right. How many?
One.
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 One. Is it a positive or negative one?
Positive. Because we go right.
Because we're going right. Then you do the rise over the run. What's the rise?
2.
Positive 2.
Positive 2. And what is the run?
2 points.
And the run is
1.
positive 1. Divide. What number is your M?
0.5.
Well, no. It'd be positive 2.
2.
Do we have a number for B? Yes. Do we have a number for M? Yes. Now we can use y equal mx plus b and write the equation. So, somebody, the equation?
Y equal to X.
Yeah.
Miss, can the all points if I choose to, it will gonna be the answers will same, yes? If I choose another points.
If you
Or
choose,
it should be, continue.
you have to choose the y-intercept and another point. It should give you the same answer. Did somebody say the equation? I didn't hear you.
Me said Y equal to X plus 3.
Fine, done. That's it. Let's try again. So we're going to begin with the y-intercept. The y-intercept should be on the y-axis. Okay, this is the y-axis. So who can see what is the y-intercept?
-2.
Good, should be there. So B is going to be -2. Now we need the slope. We're going to make it rise over run. We need 2 points for rise over run. So in this one, they give us this point. They give this one to us, so we should use it. We're going to start at the star and go to the purple point.
I will go down.
The star to the purple point. We go up or down?
Down.
Down. How many?
1.
1.
So positive or negative 1?
Negative 1.
Negative.
Why negative?
Because we go down.
Because
Because
we're
we
going
went
down.
From here, left or right?
Right.
Right.
Right. How many?
1.
1.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Because we went right. Now, rise over run. What's the rise number?
-1.
-1.
And the run number?
+1.
Fine. Divide.
-1.
Good. So you have a number for B, you have a number for M. Now you can use slope-intercept form. Y equal mx plus b. What's the equation?
Y equal -1 X plus -b. No, we don't do by plus. We don't do plus.
Okay,
Sorry.
so correct it. What is it?
Y equal -1 X subtract 2.
Correct. Is the Wazara going to write -1? No, they're not going to write -1. They're not going to write -1. They're going to put -x. So 2 numbers we do not write. The 0 and the 1. So here, if you do not see the number, it means it's -1 or +1. Okay, let's try again. Here, we have to begin with the y-intercept. The y-intercept is on the y-axis. What number is this?
4. Positive 4.
Positive 4, correct. Once we have the y-intercept, we need to choose a point. Remember, you have to make sure you choose a good point. A good point has to be in the middle of the horizontal and vertical. So something like in here, in the middle of that, where they cross. Okay, so I chose this point.
Miss Aisha,
Yes,
can we choose a point up?
you can choose any point you want as long as it's in the line and in the middle of the horizontal and vertical. So if you wanted to choose this one, okay, you could choose this one. If you wanted to choose this one, okay, you could choose this one. You just have to make sure it's a good point that you're choosing, and it should be on the line.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, from the star to the purple point, we going up or down?
Down.
Down. How many?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Then from here, left or right?
Right.
Right. How many?
Positive 1.
Positive 1. Then we need the rise over the run. So the rise number?
Negative 3.
And the run number?
1.
I don't know it.
Positive 1.
Positive 1. So the m, you have to divide.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. You have b and you have m. So that means you can write y equal mx plus b. What's your equation?
Y equal negative 3x plus 4.
Fine. Done. Only that. I think this is the last one. So we are going to begin with the y-intercept. What's your y-intercept this time?
Can we choose 0?
Yeah, is it touching 0? Yeah, it's 0. So b is 0. Then we need the slope. To make the slope, use rise over run. You need 2 points. In this line, they do not give it to us, so we have to choose it for ourselves. So I chose this one. You can also choose this one. You can also choose this one. Or you could also choose this one. Any 2 points will help you to find the slope. Starting at the star and going to the purple point. Up or down?
Up.
Up. How many?
2, plus 2.
Positive 2. Okay. From here, left or right?
Right.
How many?
Plus 3.
Okay. So just a reminder, how are we getting the numbers? Anytime we go up, it's going to be positive. Anytime we go down, it's going to be negative. Anytime we go right, should be positive. And anytime we go left, should be negative. So what is your rise over run? Rise number?
The rise is positive 2, and the run it's positive 3.
Fine. So the slope?
Can we write a slope in point?
We wanted fraction.
There's no. They give me 2 over 3.
Okay, correct. It's positive 2 over 3. So we have the slope, or we have the b, and we have the m. So we can do y equal mx plus b. So what should be the equation?
We got y equal 2 over 3x plus 0.
Good. Is the Bazara going to write 0?
No.
No.
0 is
So,
not writing. Also, 1 is not writing, صح?
fine.
Miss, if
So
1, it's not have variable, we write it?
say it again.
If the 1, it's not have a coefficient, we don't write it. We write it.
Yes, if they put y equal x. Okay, what's the coefficient?
1.
Positive 1, right. If they put y equal negative x, what is the coefficient?
-1.
Okay, like this. If they give you this equation, remember that the b is 0 because there's no plus. There's nothing here to plus or to minus. So it should be 0, the b. But this one you have to see the graph and write the equation yourself.
Okay.
So should be like something like this. They should give you the graph. You have to make the b, find the rise and run to get to the m, and then you can write the equation y equal mx plus b. So there's only 3 of those to practice. I think you should be able to do this one. Okay, I put it medium. Not so easy, but it's not too hard. I think it's medium question. We're almost done. 4.5, question number 8. We did this one in class, just a review. So this is about the arithmetic sequence. Remember, sequence is a pattern, and arithmetic means increase or decrease at a constant rate. What do we mean by constant rate? Constant rate means that it has to be the same value. It has to be the same number. Increase means that we add, and decrease means that we subtract. Or increase means we got a positive number, or decrease means we got a negative number. So for this sequence here, how do we get from 3 to 6? Should we add 3?
3.
How do we get from 6 to 9?
Add
At 3.
3.
Add 3. How do we get from 9 to 12?
Add
At
3.
3.
And how do we get from 12 to 15?
Add 3.
At 3.
Okay, so it's increase and it's constant. What number
Miss,
did we
we
add
add
every
3.
time? 3.
3.
So we call this
Miss,
arithmetic.
Miss, we add 3 all the time?
No, depends on the number. Depends on the pattern. This is just one example. So the next word you need to know is common difference. Common difference is the change in a sequence. So here we have 2 kinds of sequence, increase and decrease. This one, to get from 5 to 9, we add 4. From 9 to 13, we add 4. From 13 to 17, we add 4. So we say that our common difference is a positive number. Because
Miss
it's
Alicia?
positive, it's called increase. Yes.
Sorry. When you record the meeting, you will send it in Telegram?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, بس.
This one, 20 to 17, it's decrease. So subtract 3, 17 to 14, subtract 3, 14 to 11, subtract 3. This difference is a negative 3. Because it's negative, we call it decrease. Okay? So that's the vocab. To do the question, you have like 3 parts to do. Part 1, you want to make a table. If you want to make it easy for yourself, put the numbers in a table. The first number is negative 5.25. The second number is positive 1. The third number is positive 7.25. The fourth number is positive 13.5. The next step, part 2, you have to subtract. So from the table, you are subtracting from the bottom to the top of the table. Or you're starting in the left side and subtracting to the right side like this. So 13.5 subtract 7.25. Anybody have it? Anybody? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, 1 minute, I will do it.
Yes.
Let's wait we calculate.
Oh,
Equal 6, positive 6.25.
fine. Then you're going to subtract again. 7.25 subtract 1.
Equal 6.25.
Okay, then we're going to subtract again. 1 subtract negative 5.25.
Equal 6.25. It is constant.
Yes, it is constant. So, is it arithmetic?
Yes.
Yes. If you say yes for constant, you have to say yes for arithmetic. Constant means you're getting the same value. Then maybe they might ask you what is the common difference.
6.25, I think.
And they might ask you what is D.
What is this?
Same number, 6.20. The pattern, is it increase or decrease?
Decrease.
The change? This D is negative,
No. Increase.
so it's positive, so you say increase. Only
Yes.
this. Try another one. Make the table.
I will do 16
Part 2,
minus 9.
subtract.
Yes, equal 7.
I don't know it.
Positive 7.
Sure. Then 9 subtract 4.
Equal positive 5.
Then 4 subtract 1.
Equal positive 3.
And then 1 subtract 0.
Equal positive 1. It is not constant.
Not constant.
And it is not arithmetic.
It's not arithmetic.
Yes.
Correct. Do you have any common
No.
difference?
No, we don't.
No common difference and no value for D.
Done. That's it. That
Yes,
is all
easy.
you have to do. Let's try one with fractions. So again, make the table and subtract from the bottom of the table to the top, or the end of the sequence to the beginning. This one gives you positive 1/3.
1/3.
Subtract again, you get positive 1/3. Subtract again, you get
We will get
positive 1/3.
3.
Subtract again, you get positive 1/3.
It is constant and yes,
Yes, it's arithmetic. What's your common difference?
1/3.
1
D
over 3.
equal
Negative
1/3.
Good. Is it increase or decrease this pattern?
It is increase
Increase.
This is increase. How do you know it's increase?
because
it's
it is positive.
Good. Only that. So that's question number 8. Can you say if the sequence is arithmetic? You have to see if it's constant or not constant. So it's subtracting. Make sure you start at the end and subtract this way. Okay, so I put that one easy. I think you should be able to do that one without any problem. The next one from lesson 4.5, question number 7. So here we have it. We're going to do the same steps. You can make a
73
table.
minus 68 equal positive 5.
Okay.
68 minus 63 equal positive 5.
Fine.
63 minus 58 equal positive 5. Constant,
positive 5.
yes. Arithmetic, yes.
5, positive 5,
Uh-huh.
D equal 5, positive 5.
Fine. But this question wants to know what are the
Add.
next 3 numbers?
We will do add 5.
Good. So 73 add 5 gives you what?
78.
Then 78
78
add
add
5.
5 equal 83.
Then 83 add 5.
Equal 88.
88.
Done. So what is the 5th, 6th, and 7th number? The 5th number is
78.
8. The 6th number
83.
and
88.
that's it. They just want to know what is the next term. One more. This one.
Okay. Negative 8 subtract 4
Negative
equal
3.
negative 7.
Yeah, negative 7.
4 subtract 11 equal negative 7. 11 subtract 18 equal negative 7. It is constant and arithmetic. Negative 7. D equal negative 7.
Negative 7.
Good. Make sure you read what they want. They want the next 3 terms.
Add negative 7.
So negative 3 add negative 7.
Equal negative 10.
And negative 10 add negative 7.
Equal
Negative
negative
17.
And negative 17 add negative 7.
negative 24.
That's it. So what is the next numbers in the line? The 5th number is negative
Negative 10.
10.
Negative
Then
17.
negative
17. Negative 24.
this sequence is increase or decrease?
This is decrease
Decrease.
Decrease. Good. How do you know?
Because
because
it's negative.
Because the common difference or D is negative. Come on. So that's it. So this question number 7. Find D and then write the next 3 terms. Find D and then write the next 3 terms. Only that. Here, because it's in my brain now, about the mixed number. You have to press in the calculator Shift and press the fraction button. Okay, when you press Shift and the fraction button, it's going to give you the mixed number. So be careful about this, how to put the mixed number. You have to press Shift and you have to press fraction to get to the mixed number to pop up. Everybody see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's how you get to the mixed number. This one, I put it easy too.